Now we're going to mount the mast to the A-frame. First thing you do is reorient the A-frame to the mast. Important that it be oriented in this direction with the wheel next to the braking mechanism and the front part of the leg up front capturing the rope. Next, this may be up in this position when you get your ER330. So push it all the way down to the drive wheel. It will help when you go to assemble. This is a welded ring here on the mast that helps in assembly, and it will go right on top of this split ring. Next, these are the bolts and the split rings. These are very fine threads. After the mast is mounted, the split rings will go here and that will go in there on both places. Just want to be very careful with the fine threads on this. I'll show you in a minute. And here, one other thing, this is very important. This cable, you need to not pinch that when you mount it up here onto this split ring. So I usually pull it to the side like that. And there it is on top, and it'll sit by itself. Next, take your split ring, get your bolts set up, take your 1/4 inch Allen wrench, and turn the bolt until it engages. Make sure you're not cross-threading it. I leave these kind of loose at this point because I want to orient the top sheave so it's pointing the right direction. All right. Basically, this is just an eyeball where you move it, stand out in front, look at it. You know, you can walk around to the front and go, that's good.